Hello traders, welcome to another technical analysis video from Inveslo on Friday, September 23. This is Ali, VP of Market Analysis and Education, and in this video we're going to have a quick look at EUR USD. EUR USD kick-started a new round of declines this morning in Europe as flash PMIs figures across Europe pointed at a further fall in business activities, with both the EU services and manufacturing PMIs edging lower in the contraction area and also weaker than expected. Again, as we can see here on the 4-hour chart, a decisive break below the 0.98065 barrier paved the way for euro sellers to try the 0.97434 hurdle around the 161.8% Fibonacci projection of the last upswing from 0.98065 to 0.99086. If selling pressure intensifies at this level at 0.97434, the price may overcome this obstacle, heading towards the next support at 0.97044, and further push below this level can bring more sellers to join the market and turn their attention towards 0.96412. Otherwise, should buyers retake control, they may keep the pair sideways between 0.97434 and 0.98065, as we can see here, and further traction above this broken support of 0.98065 can put the last stop at 0.99086 on the spotlight. However, diverging exponential moving averages exhibit accelerating bearish sentiment, with the 50 EMA being below the 200 EMA. Also, short-term momentum oscillators reflect a bearish bias in the market right now. We see RSI is floating in the oversold area below the 30 level. That means the price may hang out at the 0.97434 hurdle before clearing that, and momentum is moving down in the selling territory. Likewise, MACD bars get taller below zero, aiming to cross below the signal line as well. That's it from my side for now. Thank you for watching and have a great trading week.